English Idioms Unveiled, Costume Ball. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, costume ball. This term might sound straightforward, but it has some interesting cultural and historical connotations. So, whether you're an English learner or just curious, stay tuned to uncover the layers behind this intriguing phrase. A costume ball refers to a social event where guests attend wearing costumes. These aren't just any ordinary parties. They are often themed, with guests dressing up according to the chosen theme. The key here is creativity and self-expression. From historical figures to fictional characters, the possibilities are endless. The concept of a costume ball dates back centuries. It was particularly popular in the 16th century among the European aristocracy. These events were more than just parties. They were grand affairs where the elite showcased their wealth, status, and fashion sense. Understanding this history adds depth to the term, revealing its rich cultural heritage. In modern times, costume balls have evolved. They are no longer exclusive to the aristocracy but are accessible and enjoyed by people from all walks of life. These events can be found in various forms, such as charity galas, Halloween parties, or even themed club nights. The focus is on fun, creativity, and community. Understanding phrases like costume ball is crucial in language learning because it goes beyond vocabulary. It's about cultural literacy and the ability to engage in conversations with native speakers. This phrase can pop up in literature, movies, and everyday conversations, so knowing its nuances is key to holistic language comprehension. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, costume ball. We hope this has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also your cultural understanding. Remember, language learning is a journey of discovery, and each phrase has its own story. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.